Lasko heaters are equipped with multiple built-in safety features designed to protect users and prevent accidents. The standard reset procedure for Lasko heaters involves unplugging the unit for 10 to 15 minutes. This allows internal components to reset and can resolve minor operational issues. Before resetting your heater, ensure it's properly connected to a working power source. Always plug directly into a wall outlet and avoid using extension cords or surge protectors. Using extension cords or surge protectors with space heaters can create fire hazards and power delivery issues. Always connect your Lasko heater directly to a wall outlet for safe operation. Finally, ensure your heater is placed on a solid, level surface. This prevents tip-over situations and ensures proper airflow for safe operation. If your Lasko heater still won't power on after resetting, the next step is checking the thermostat. The thermostat must be set above the current room temperature to activate the heating element. Next, inspect the heating element for signs of damage or wear. Look for discoloration, broken coils, or mineral buildup that could prevent proper heating. Always ensure the heater is unplugged before inspection. Some tower heaters have an internal fuse that may blow during power surges. Testing this fuse requires disassembly and a multimeter to check for continuity. Replace blown fuses with the correct type and amperage rating. Common heater issues include blowing cold air when the thermostat is set too low, cycling on and off repeatedly, which may require cleaning, or displaying a blinking 88 error indicating a faulty thermistor. Remember that Lasko continuously innovates with enhanced safety features and energy efficiency in their heater designs, making them the #1 heater brand in the United States.